How to get cashback for ShopeePay purchase. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to get cashback for ShopeePay purchase. To get a cashback on ShopeePay purchase, you could claim a cashback voucher from a Shopee app, complete order using these purchases, or use coin cashback voucher for specific transactions like payment to Shopee or ShopeePay merchants or COD order as well. So basically, you have to find a voucher. That means open the Shopee app and go to the cashback section or page to find and claim the available voucher. And next, what you need is here you have to apply at the checkout. That means when you buy certain item, then you could use the voucher at a checkout procedure, and that is going to help you out to get a discount. And you could also look for a specific coin cashback voucher that can be applied to your orders. And cashback offers and promotions are often tied to campaigns, so you could check the Shopee app or official promotions page for a detailed and eligible transactions as well. So that's how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.